Hello, welcome to Home Cooking with Somjit. Today I'm going to cook char siu. I have uploaded the char siu recipe before, but today the recipe will be slightly different. And for the meat also, I'm using a different part of the pork, which today I'm using the pork shoulder, 1.5 kilos. And I have 6 tablespoons of light soy sauce, 3 tablespoons of onion oil, 2 tablespoons of sugar, quarter teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of fine spice powder, 2 tablespoons of honey, 1 teaspoon of ground black pepper, 1 tablespoon of garlic paste, half teaspoon of sesame seed oil, and half tablespoon of dark soy sauce. I'm going to put all the ingredients in the mixing bowl. Light soy sauce, dark soy sauce, sesame seed oil, honey, onion oil. Mix all the wet ingredients first. Now we're going to put in the dry ingredients: salt, sugar, fine spice powder, and pepper. Mix everything well, and now last I'm going to put in the garlic. Alright, we have our seasonings ready, and now I'm going to pour it over to the meat. So we're going to marinate the meat with the sauce. All the meat is coated with the sauce. For the best result, we need to marinate this meat overnight. And just cover it, and then I'm going to put it in the fridge overnight. Tomorrow we can cook it. We have marinated the meat and put it in the fridge overnight. When the meat is marinated overnight, and it's really can absorb all the ingredients and the flavor from all the seasoning that we put in. And now we're going to cook it. So I heated the pan here. We are not going to put any oil. We're just going to go ahead and put in the meat. And now we're going to pour in the sauce. Cover the lid. We're going to let it cook in the low heat for about 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, let's take a look. See, when the meat is cooked, it's really released a lot of gravy. And now I'm going to add in about 400 ml of water. And cover the lid. Let it cook in the low temperature for 1 hour. And from time to time, I come back and take a look to make sure that the meat doesn't burn at the bottom. If it's getting dry, you can add a little bit water at time. Alright, 1 more minute to go. You see the gravy has dried up. Now we're going to remove the meat out from the pot and put it in the cooling rack like this. I'm going to leave it in the cooling rack for about 5 minutes. And for this sauce, this is very nice thick sauce. We're going to take it out from the pan and to eat with the char siu. After resting the meat for about 5 minutes, so I'm going to now put it in the oven. So I'm going to put in the oven at 180 degrees for about 5 to 7 minutes. But this is very crucial. You just need to take a look. If the meat started to dry out a little bit and it's getting burnt, need to take it out. So put it in the oven at 180 degree. Alright, the meat is ready. So I have put it in the oven for about 7 minutes. We just need to put it in the oven just to get the burnt edges like this. That is all what char siu is all about, right? See? It's so tender. Very hot. Look at that. For char siu, you can either eat it by itself or you can have it with chili or with rice. So I'm gonna take this piece with a bit of fat. Oh, love the fat. Just gonna try it by itself. Wow, delicious. It's slightly sweet, a bit of saltiness, and the meat is tender, almost melt in the mouth. So good. Now I'm gonna try it with rice. Just gonna take this piece and a little bit of chili. It is so good with the rice and the chili. Out of the world. This is really good. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please share with your friends. And remember to subscribe for more of my variety cooking like this. Thank you and bye bye.